Okay, hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining me, I'm tamaracanham, and as usual, thanks for clicking on the video. Okay, so I'm really excited to shoot today's video. Like, I've been waiting for days to shoot this video because I've never done a makeup haul on my channel, and I think it is about time, and I thought this would be the perfect opportunity for me to shoot a haul. So recently my sister went to Spain, and I told her to get me some stuff, y'all, because I was like, you are not going to go to Spain and not get me makeup, okay? She couldn't find some of the stuff that I wanted to get, so there was like sad for me, but I love the stuff that I did get. First of all, can we just talk about this bag? Like, it's so cute. All the goodies are in this bag, so I'm going to show you this video. It's going to be a long day for me today because I have a lot of shooting to do. Okay, so first up, I got these packs from Primark. Unfortunately, we do not have Primark in South Africa, but it is paying, and the stuff is so affordable. And this was just it was 8 euros. It was 8 euros, which is quite cheap. Everything is like so amazingly cheap. So this is from this is from Primark. The brand is called PS, and as you can see, and this is their nudes collection. And this nude collection kind of reminds me of the KKW range. This is the kind of packaging, simple, chic, and the color is just amazing. So in this pack, it comes with a brush. Let me just open it. I'm so excited. Okay, so in this it comes in with a I'm choosing a manual today, so the focus is around my face. So I hope this is going to focus. So I can't come like this for you guys. I have to autofocus, but I'll shoot some of the shots and also focus for you guys to see. So first up we have this brush, and this brush again reminds me of the KKW brush, the one that they first came out with. It has this tip and this end, and this is the contouring and highlighting brush that they have in the range. And then it also comes in the same pack, like, I mean, for 8 euros. It comes with a cream duo. Is this for contouring or for... No, this is the contouring stick. I am going to do a tutorial using all these products after, like, exactly when I'm done. Okay, so I am going to do a tutorial with these products, and I'm going to do this once I'm done shooting this video. So I'm going to do I'm shooting like 3 videos today. Like, I think actually 4 videos. It's gonna be a shooting day for me. So this one is the cream contouring stick. It has 2 contouring sides to it. So this is how it actually looks, and the pigment is good, but you see, I think this is the darker, the lighter shade. So yeah, this is a nice warmer shade, and this is a bit darker. So the colors are quite close, but the one is a bit darker than the other. They don't blend as nice as I would like them to blend. They are pigmented, as you guys have seen, but they're not as creamy, so therefore they don't blend very well. But we'll see how it works when we're contouring our face later on. And then also, I'm just like using, and then it also comes with this eyebrow highlighting stick. This is a brow highlighter. This is also from the same range, from the same package that we just opened. And why is it not turning? Okay, is this all the product that is in here? Because it's not turning. It's not turning. I think this is all the product that you get for your brow highlighter, which is okay because it is just for your brow. And then it also comes, wait, let me swatch it for you guys. I'm going to just use this part of my finger. Sorry. Hope you guys can see that. So that's the brow highlighter. And then it also comes with a cream highlighting duo stick. The one side is a highlighter. This is the amount of product. It's quite a lot. I mean, it's €8. This is the highlighting stick, which is very quite similar to the eyebrow highlighting stick that I just showed you. And on the other side is a cream contour. Now this one feels a lot more creamier than the contouring stick, but again, it could be a lot more creamier. I think it's not creamier enough, so I think it will go nice if you put it over like a cream and blend it in with a cream concealer. So I'm in love with this packaging, you guys. It is just so cute and so pretty and so nice. I cannot wait to do a tutorial with this. And up next, what did we get? We got an eyelash curl. I don't know if you guys want me to open this. It's so pretty, like it's so pretty. It has an extra rubber over here. Again, it is so chic and it is so pretty, and I absolutely love it. Can I just say that I've never used an eyelash curl before in my life? Like, I really have not used an eyelash curl before in my entire life, and I really like this eyelash curl. It is so pretty. Like, I don't want to use it. Like, I just wanted to stay in this packaging and place it on my desk somewhere because it is so cute. And this is also from the PS Nudes range, and this cost €3. Like, why can't we have Primark in South Africa? I mean, it costs, damn, I'm sorry for saying damn, but it costs €3. Like, Lord, how pretty is this? How pretty is this? I don't even know who's speaking today because okay. And then we also have, oh my gosh, you guys know how much I love eyeshadows. We also have this this eyeshadow palette. Again, this eyeshadow palette is also from the PS Nudes range, and the colors are absolutely amazeballs. Let me just do one swatch for me on my finger. I will do a swatch on auto just now. I'm gonna do my favorite shade. Listen to the names of these shades: Panna Cotta, Beach Blonde, Barley Berry, Skinny Dipping, Cafe Creme, Brown Bear, Wood Nymph, Summer Solstice, Underdressed, oh my gosh, and Court Red Handed. Okay, let's do Court Red Handed since that was the last one. Look at that, oh my gosh. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shades. It has 10 shades, and this one cost how much did this one cost? €6, which is really so cheap. Let me just wipe this off. Okay. And then what we also got from the PS, where's my highlighter? And then, oh my gosh, we also have this highlighting radiance. This is a highlighting drop, a bronze highlighting drops. I'm scared it might be a bit too light, but it says bronze highlighting drops, so I don't know. And this one costs €3.50. Okay, so it kind of has a pump to like kind of pick up the product, which it doesn't really need. And there's quite a lot of products in here, you guys, and I'm telling you, I did kind of swatch this one before because I'm forward and I couldn't help it, and you really just need a little bit because a little bit goes a long way. But what is like so strange is that all the highlighters look exactly the same, from the sticks to this drop. And also there's a shade that I really like in this package. You'll see it's called Beach Blonde. Is that the one, Beach Blonde? It is exactly the same like the shimmer shade. Like, how do they do that? They all have the same kind of scattered shimmer. They all have the same color, the same undertone. Like, how, I don't know, they're all exactly the same. Okay. And then what I also got, well, my sister got me, She also got these beautiful, cute little, is it Barcelona? Is this Barcelona? I don't watch, no, it's not, is it, it's FCB, I don't know, I don't watch soccer. I only watch soccer when it's the World Cup. But she got these cute little tops for the kids. It says Messi in the back. It says Messi 10. It says Messi 10 in the back, and they are absolutely cute. These were probably not as cheap as the makeup because, yeah, they were not as cheap. Okay, and then what I also got again, this was from Discam, and you guys are going to see me doing a review on this product alone when I'm done. Again, this is going to be the third video that I shoot for today. This is the Pond's Flawless Radiance, and we're not going to talk much about this. I picked this up from Discam, so I'm quite curious to see. It's a makeup remover. It's micellar water from Pond's, so this is new from Pond's, so I cannot wait to see this one. And what I also got from Discam, again, please mind the lenses. I got this this Essence glitter primer. Like, ooh, I'm so glad that Essence has come up with a glitter primer, because you know, you don't just find glitter primers everywhere. I know NYX has a glitter primer, but whenever I go to NYX store, I cannot find the glitter primer. So I'm quite glad Essence has a glitter primer, and when I went, this was the last one that they had. So and then I also got this this palette from Beauty Treat, you guys. It is so cute. Look how cute is this. Look how cute is this this eyeshadow. It has quite a few eyeshadows in it. Again, you guys are going to be seeing me using this in the last video that I shoot today. I think that's going to be the 4th video, which you guys are probably only going to see not this week but the following week, because I'm going to do the haul and I'm going to do the tutorial this week, and then the Pond's review with this is going to be the following week. Again, we shall see if it has great pigmentation. Oh, I think I picked up a bit too much and I wasted it, but anyway, let's just see how that swatches. Okay, it's not bad, but we shall see when we're doing our eyeshadow a look for the day. It also has a mirror, you guys. Wait, these kind of small brushes that I never use are going to irritate me. It also has a small mirror. These are supposed to be bronzers, but they kind of just look like normal eyeshadows. They come with some glitters as well, and with lipsticks, you guys. The lipsticks, they have that old school kind of smell that you just don't like. Like, I don't like the smell of this lipstick. It's horrible. Like, no. And it's the pigment is it's like a lip balm. It's like, it doesn't have much pigment. Let me just show you. So of course, but I'm not complaining, because this only cost 125 Rand at this store, and I did only buy it for the eyeshadows because I'm obsessed with these colors. And Beauty Treats' eyeshadows are normally not that bad, you guys. Like, you should buy Beauty Treats. They have so much of stuff to their collection that is really great. When I went to the store, I wanted to buy everything. Okay, so I absolutely love this packaging. It's so cute. It looks like a purse, and my kid was like, "Oh, mommy, you got a new purse," and I was like, no, it's not. It is. Oh, and then I also have this foundation from Avon. I have been using this foundation. I think this one was 180 bucks on special. I can't remember. I don't know how much it normally is. But this is from Avon. Again, I will do a review on this foundation for you guys. Like I said, I have used it, and you guys will have to wait to see what my opinion on this bad boy is gonna be. Okay, this thing is gonna irritate me. So that is it for this whole video. I hope you guys have seriously enjoyed this whole video. I cannot wait for you guys to see it because I'm really just obsessed with makeup. Like, I think any girl who loves makeup is. And yeah, so that is it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more makeup hauls, let me know in the comment section down below because I really love doing makeup. I love watching makeup hauls, so I really would love to do more of them, but you guys can just let me know. And that is it for this makeup haul, you guys. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment down below and let me know what your favorite products are, some products that you guys think I should try. Let me know. Until next time, darlings, I'll see you.